Hi guys, welcome back to Planet Mithril. My name is Mithril and I would like to extend to you a once-in-a-lifetime invite and opportunity. That's right, the event we've all been waiting for and many of you have hyped me up about. I would like to invite you all to join me this year for Croc-Stock 25. That's right, as you all know, I am going to the... Why is my computer breaking? To the Middle-earth Throne of Skulls in November, and the decision of what army to take was featured in last week's blog update, and it was very much based around whether I take Arnor or potentially Crocs, and at the time I didn't have an awful lot of Crocs. Well, that has since changed, and I have now more or less written off the Arnor as a potential choice for Throne of Skulls, and they'll probably be coming to GT next year along with some Angmar there, because I have gone from needing a significant amount of crocodiles, I needed another 12 packs of crocodiles, to only needing 4 now. That's right, I am in the possession of 22 Wardrakes of Rune. I need to probably get a lobotomy because this isn't a great idea. Actually, it's an amazing idea. It's not a clever idea. It's definitely not a financially stable idea, but it is a damn fun idea. But no, I need to first and foremost just go and thank the community. I sing this community's praises so much. You guys know I do. In every video I do like this, every roundup, every Throne of Skulls thing I do, I put the call out on Facebook, and obviously in the last video, just asking if anyone had any Crocs to part with. They're willing to pledge and sell to the cause of Croc-Stock 25, and thinking I maybe get 1 or 2. No, I managed to. You guys, I got 8, I think, packs of Crocs from my social media posts. So I want to publicly just thank a few people. I want to thank Aaron Mundin, who very kindly gave me 2 packs of crocodiles. Chris Williams, who had very kindly actually offered the Dragon Emperor and Blackguard back in the day before I managed to get hold of them, has come up and said, "Oh, you can have my pack of Crocs." They were built, they were sprayed, but they've been resprayed, and they're currently in the queue to go. Josh Crosby as well, the absolute hero, who not only is doing his own army of crocodiles, has also turned around and he actually sold me 4 packs of his. So massive thank you there, Josh. And of course our dear Wayne, who also had a pack of Crocs, which he's donated to the cause as well. So this community, I cannot sing its praises enough. I really cannot. I am so grateful. Thank you. And I appreciate, like, I've talked about Crocs a lot, particularly our little Throne of Skulls support group. I imagine everyone's sick and tired of me talking about crocodiles. Because God knows I am. So don't worry, I'll shut up for a little while after this while I paint. But I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has helped me get to that magic number of 30. I'm working on some cheeky little conversions. I have had these authorised by Games Workshop for the event, so I can use these if I can't get hold of the remaining 8. But if Games Workshop do happen to bring them back in stock, or if somebody else has got any more Crocs they don't necessarily need right now, get in touch. I can give them a good home. So I can probably get to the magic number of 30. I'm going to be working around some potential changes just in case I can't quite manage it. I'll maybe be 2 or 3 Crocs down, potentially. But we'll see what happens. But yes, so I just want to say a massive thank you first and foremost to the community for coming together and just helping me realise this absolutely stupid batshit dream that I apparently have managed to bring to fruition. Let me refresh you of the proposed list. So yes, the proposed list, as you can see here, comes in at bang on 1,000 points. It's host of the Dragon Emperor because he's the Dragon Emperor. He is the Emperor of Dragons. He's not the Emperor of men who claim their dragon blood or dress like dragons or have very spiky points on their shields which draw blood when you try and build them. He's the host of the Dragon Emperor. So he's gonna have dragons. More drakes or crocodiles. That's all part of the same family. But yes, so it comes in at 33 models, 17 to break, quartered is 8, and 8 might points across. It is, of course, the Dragon Emperor of Rune with 12 War Drakes, Rutabi, General of the Dragon Legion, put my teeth back in. General of the Dragon Legion with 10 War Drakes, and Borgir the Conjurer with 8 War Drakes. So yes, comes in at 33 models. I am 22 out of 30 for those War Drakes, and I'm losing my eyesight trying to paint all these scales. So yes, it's not a clever idea, it's not a particularly effective idea, but damn is it going to look cool. So in the interest of not... on the off chance I can't get hold of the remaining drakes. I've got 3 converted up, so technically I've got 25. I'd like to run full proper drakes if I can, but I appreciate Games Workshop stock is meh, and getting hold of them is challenging. So potentially I'll be looking at maybe dropping out a couple of the drakes and sticking in a War Priest just to get the numbers up to 1,000 points. I'll see what happens. If I can get hold of the remaining drakes, then amazing. I will. Of course I will. If I can convert them up effectively enough, then of course I will. But I'm just kind of planning for every eventuality. The alternative is I just keep it as it is and run 100 points down or however many points down, which I'm super up for doing. You know, I mean, I can't beat Paul, who's running Smaug for a 1,000 point event and playing 300 points down. Let's not drop blue tack on the floor. Yeah, I can't compete with that level of point deficiency, but I'm willing to do that because it's Throne of Skulls. It's a fun tournament, and that's what I wanted to highlight as well with this, is that it's the most community-driven tournament, the most community-feeling tournament. Like, everyone's there for the same reason. Everyone's there for the love of the game, and I'm running probably one of the most daft armies I could possibly hope to run, with the help of the community. The community has helped me put this army together. It couldn't be any more of a community-based project. Like, I say this is my army, it's not. It's a community army. The more people that came forward and said, I could sell you my drakes, you can have these, I'm not going to get around to them for a little while, but you are doing the ridiculous, apparently before anyone else is. The more people that did that, the more I was just like, this is a community-based project that I'm now working on, and I want to do it to the best of my ability. I have got 6 drakes painted so far, and here is a beautiful picture of the 6 drakes I have so far painted. I'm kind of working with 3 kind of core scale recipes and playing around with underbellies. I'll probably play around with like a Barrack Nar Burgundy or like a ready one maybe. But the idea is to keep them feeling a little bit more unique. I'm also trying to put a bit of character into some of them. So I've got this one here, bless him. And it's never a good feeling when you cut through a 4-draw model. But poor little stumpy boy here. You see his little bones sticking out the back end of his tail. Lost his tail. He's an age-old war drake, this poor little fella. The tail has been put to good use on another model, which is going to be this drake, this guy living his best life. Look at this dude, jumping out of the water, fishing for food. And I've got a couple of other ideas for how I can get to the magic number of 30. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who has helped me get to this point for Throne of Skulls. It's very fitting that it's for Throne of Skulls, the most community-driven event, and if I can only go to one event at Warhammer World a year, it would be Throne of Skulls, hands down, every time, because the community is just phenomenal. Everyone who's going is there for the right reasons, and it's just so much fun. You may see me in fancy dress. I can't possibly comment. Calman did put a picture in our Throne of Skulls support group of a giant croc outfit, so that could well be happening. But there'll be some fun and shenanigans. So if you've got any extra paint recipes you want me to try, or any ideas to help me convert some of these drakes and make them feel a bit more unique, fire them across, let me know. I read everything, and I would love to see them. But that's my update for Throne of Skulls this week. I've got a War Drake tutorial I'm currently filming, because it's daft not to do one when I'm painting this many anyway, but of course they're a new release, so they're going to be coming out very soon. And I'm going to be looking at doing some streams at some point soon as well, so we can kind of play it along together and you guys can keep me motivated. Again, while I slowly lose my eyesight by edge highlighting every single one of these scales, because yes, I love self-flagellation. That is apparently what I'm doing. Every single scale's getting edge highlighted. Hello, darkness, my old friend. But yes, I wanted to give you an update on the army as it stands and the road to Throne of Skulls. The Road to Throne of Skulls journey as it will be for this year. Croc-Stock 25. It's going to be big. I've got a lot of stuff planned for Croc-Stock 25, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But until next time, guys, take care. There will be a video coming out on Friday, whether that will be a painting tutorial, a modelling tutorial, or a bat rep. I haven't yet decided. Me and Jeb did film more Crest of the Ring Bearers the other week, so I've got some of those to get done, so I'll probably try and get one of those out for Friday. And then we're back to paint tutorials the week after. Hopefully I'll have broken the back of these drakes by then. So, or the tail if you like. So, but yes, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, guys, take care. And as always, happy hobbying. Croc, bye bye.